Gawa tayo ng strawberry puree guys para gagawa tayo ng ice cream. Kasi masasayang lang yung ating strawberry kasi guys. We'll watch later. Ng 1/4 teaspoon ng Himalayan salt. Guys, nag-add na tayo ng 1 teaspoon of lemon juice and 1 teaspoon of vanilla. We will add the strawberry puree guys. So we have 350. So almost 350 siya guys. Pero nandyan siya sa So nailagay na natin ang ating strawberry puree guys. Yung ating puree guys ha, after na blend natin ang ating strawberries, we are going to strain. I-strain natin guys para tanggal yung mga iba pang mga mga buhol-buhol tulad ng some seeds kasi maraming seeds ang strawberries, okay? guys. Okay na siya guys. Tikman natin guys ha kung okay na ba ang kanyang timpla. Wow. Okay na siya. Medyo matabang. Kasi isa lang yung condensed. Lagyan natin ng 1/4 cup of sugar. Okay? Tayo ng 1/4 cup ng sugar. So, ibig natin ng condensed para mag-mix ng sugar. Tingnan nyo guys, so ito siya. Ito siya ang dapat, okay? Parang nag-double na siya guys. Dumudubli na. So, look at guys, oh. So, yun. So, ilagay na natin siya sa ating container. We will put this one to our container and we will freeze for overnight or 6 to 8 hours, guys. Okay? Kasi wala itong gelatin kasi it's yung ice cream po ito, mga mamshies. Okay? Who score, Shark?
No, the Knights.
Ooh.
Knights are leading 32-6.
Oh my god, this is a very yummy ice cream. Narao. Dali kaya akong ice cream for a buyag, guys. Jesus, man. Siya ng cling. Why making life so hard? We will put this to our freezer overnight. 6 to 8 hours, guys, but much better to put this overnight before munching. So guys, ito na yung ating ice cream. Strawberry ice cream, guys. Look at that. Perfect. So, we will, oh wow. What happened? So guys, ito na yung ating ice cream. This is now our homemade strawberry ice cream. So if you haven't subscribed yet to my channel, Tess Home, please do subscribe. Hit nyo na rin guys ang notification bell para updated kayo sa susunod kong mga videos. I wish you can try this at your own kitchen and I hope you learned something out of my preparation. And see you guys on my next video. Thank you for watching everyone. God bless and bye-bye!